Hi there, it's Lori Beth here. I'm going to talk to you kind of about the evolution of hair transplantation. And so over the years, as all of you have known, there's been so many different forms of hair transplant, and we've evolved so much, and I'd like to tell you now kind of what we do here at Ascentist. So hair transplants started really with the FUT or strip procedure. And what that involved was taking a section of your scalp and excising that, and then using that section of your scalp to get the individual hair follicles out. And what we found with that sort of hair transplantation is that there was a really prolonged period of healing, a lot of pain associated with that healing. And the most common thing that nobody liked was you have this very long white scar on the back of your scalp. And so then after those FUT or those strip procedures, it evolved to what we call hair plugs, which I'm sure many of you are familiar with. And what that was it was extracting follicular units from the back and sides of your scalp, but it was a bigger surface area, so extracting multiple follicular units. And what that kind of did was create a big patch of hair, and then that was placed, wherever you needed that, on the crown or front of your scalp. And that kind of created a look that looked more like chia pet or doll hair, thicker areas of hair that would grow. But what we found with that was it wasn't really the cosmetic achievement. It wasn't the result we were all looking for. A lot of men were not super happy with what that looked like cosmetically and aesthetically. So then now what we do, and we've evolved from there, is called FUE, follicular unit extraction, hair transplantation. And so what that involves is taking very small, 18 gauge or 19 gauge size, very, very small extractions of the follicular units from the back and sides of your scalp. And this really allows us to have the best, quickest healing and recovery. It allows the best cosmetic result because these follicular units are so small. You really don't have any scarring on the back and sides of your scalp, and it also allows us to create a very customizable and natural looking result for our patients.